All right, we got this amazing portable infrared steam sauna. This thing is absolutely amazing. I can't believe the value. A really nice material. As you can see, it's keeping the sauna nice and insulated from anything leaking out. So I've got it turned on right now. If you come over here, actually, as you come over there, I'll get the remote over here just so you can see it. You can control everything with this remote, or you can control it right down here. You got the temperature right here. We're on level 9 right now, which is the highest it goes. It also goes lower though. Level 9 is around 130 degrees. You can set the timer. I've got it set. It's just 11 more minutes left, but it can go all the way up to 120 minutes. So that's great. And you can also, as I said, you can control it all with this remote right here. Let me go ahead and open it up, and you'll see the steam's just gonna come flying right out. So here we go. There we go. Look at that. That's insane. The inside's amazing. And come over here really quick. I'll show you. You got this nice little latch right here to hold the door open. But when you're in it, you're going to want to close it. Has this nice little mat it comes with to keep the floor nice and protected. You got this thing connected to the place of the water. So the steam's all coming out of here. And it keeps this thing going. You got this nice inner pocket right here. Now, the one thing I want to say, this is where you dump the water. Dump the water right in here. Easily open that, close it up. The last thing I want to show you, we got this pocket right here, which is connected to the infrared. So I'm going to plug that in just so you can see it. And this is plugged in here. Now, I'll plug it in right here, and you'll see, look in there, up at the top. That's what we got going on here. And for reference, I want to just say, I am about 5'11", 170 pounds, just to give you a reference point for the size of this. I think it's great. It even comes with this chair right here. Comes with that chair. This chair fits inside this case, as well as you got this for your phone. You're gonna want to bring your phone in there. Comes with this. Keep it nice and protected. This thing's amazing. Highly recommend.